The tutorial folder shows you my recommended folder structure when transferring an existing project to the PA skin or creating a new one. The base folders are Assets, RPGTVW DLS output, and To Upload. There are two base files, a P2VR and a GGSK. In addition to the base folders, there is a Pano2VR project, NT_SA, containing project files and a published tour. The Assets folder has a number of subfolders and is used to contain all the information, images, floor plans, etc. that will be used within the project. Inside Audio are two MP3 files, one in English and one in Italian, that read the description used in the info pop-up. Inside Floor Plans is a floor plan of the Adelaide Jail. Inside Galleries are two gallery folders, Adelaide Jail. Adelaide Jail contains an image and a text document with the content that applies to the image. Bamaroo Plains contains 5 images and a text document with the content that applies to the images. Information, there are 3 text files with the content that applies to the splash screen and the YouTube and info pop-ups. Inside Logos are 2 versions of the Around Australia logos. Photos is empty at the moment. Placeholder _360 contains the base project file Panorama. The To Upload folder has a number of subfolders: audio, images, logos, video. These subfolders have been added to the Properties Web Output, Files or Folders list. They contain external media that will be used within the skin. When the project is output, the folders are added as subfolders to the Output Assets folder, and the media contained within them are referenced in the project variables. Note, the folder can be named anything, but the subfolders must remain the same name and the same lowercase. If you do change the folder name, you will need to reload them in the base.p2vr file. Audio is empty. Images contains 2 placeholder images. And Logos contains a single placeholder image. Video is empty.